In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start page numbering from a specific page in Google Docs. This is a handy skill, particularly when working on projects like reports or books, where the initial pages might be a title page or a table of contents that you want to exclude from regular page numbering. Let's dive into it. First, open your preferred web browser and type Google Docs into the search bar. Hit Enter, and then click on the first link that comes up. This should take you to the Google Docs homepage. If you're not logged in already, you'll see a prompt asking for your login credentials. Go ahead and log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you have the option to either open an existing document from your list or create a new one using the blank option or one of the templates available. For today's demonstration, let's assume you're working with an existing document. Now, the goal is to start numbering from a specific page. First, navigate to the page right before the one where you want your numbering to begin. You'll need to go to the end of this page. Once there, look up to your menu bar and find the Insert option. Click on it, then hover over the Break option in the drop-down. From there, choose Section Break, Next Page. This step creates a division between pages, allowing us to start a new section with its own independent header and footer settings. Next, move over to the footer of the new page where you want to start numbering. Double-clicking in the footer area will open the header-footer options. This is where you can modify how the headers and footers work independently within each section. Within these options, you'll notice a checkbox labeled Link to Previous. Make sure this box is unchecked. This ensures that the current section is independent of the previous sections, allowing you to start numbering freshly from this page forward. Now, it's time to insert those page numbers. Click on Options within the same footer menu, then select Page Numbers. A pop-up window will appear. Here, you can specify exactly where and how the page numbers should start. Look for the Start at option and choose the number you want your numbering to begin with. Typically, you'd enter 1 to start numbering from this page as Page 1. Click Apply when you're satisfied with these settings. Sometimes, after configuring this, you might see page numbers appearing on pages before your designated starting point. No worries, though. Simply go back to the footer of each page you don't want numbered, click on the number, and hit Delete. This manual step ensures your earlier pages stay unnumbered, maintaining the clean distinction that you intended. And there you have it. With these steps, you have successfully set your document to start numbering from a specific page while ensuring previous pages remain unchanged. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your document formatting process a little bit smoother. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more how-tos and tutorials.